been looking forward to doing this one thing all weekend, haven't we, guys?
Yes, we have. And what is that, Phoenix?
Gold panning!
That's right. We're going to be doing some gold pounding with our local expert, James Keys. Now, he is an Australian champion gold pounder.
Well, thank goodness for that, because we need all the help we can get.
I've never done it in my life.
I've never done it in my life, but you have.
I did it in Sovereign Hill in someplace.
Someplace?
Yeah.
And tell everybody, did you get some?
Yeah, I have a little bottle at home with a bunch of little flakes at the bottom, and yeah.
Well, let's hope we can add to that little bottle today.
Let's hope James can make us millionaires. Now, I've got my gold pan ready to go. What do you reckon, Phoenix?
It's a frisbee, Mick.
It is too. Well, I can tell you one thing. Around the world, there's all sorts of different currencies, but one is the same everywhere, and that is gold. So when you're living off-grid and you can find a good source of gold, then you can live happily ever after. Hey, James, how you going?
Today.
Well, I'm not as fit as I used to be when I was his age. How you go? You're right there, Darren. Ladies first, in case there's crocodiles.
The only crocs are those ones on your feet.
Well, we found James down here by the river doing a bit of panning. He's our local expert panner, an Australian champion. James, thank you very much for joining us.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much for showing us how to find gold in them there hills.
Yes.
Gold is probably your best off-grid currency.
Oh, for sure. You can use it anywhere. Gold is a universal currency.
That's exactly right. So, James, Phoenix has been really keen to get in here and do it. So please explain how and what are we doing today with the pans?
Right, with the pans today, we're going to be washing rocks, basically. And the more you wash rocks, the more chance you've got to find gold. So that's what we'll be doing today.
Should I just ring up now and order me Lamborghini? And just,
yes, for sure. Yeah, I'd order one each.
Yeah, pick the colours. What colour do you want? Red? Red goes faster.
Yes, right.
Excellent. All right, mate. Well, let's show us how it's done.
All right, cool. Let's get into it.
Well, James, you got us onto this spot, and our camper is literally right there, and the river is right here. And this is where the gold is, apparently.
Yes, yes. Well, hopefully we find some for you.
So you just dig it out of the ground, throw it in the pan?
Not quite as simple as that. You've got to do a little bit of homework first and determine where the gold might have dropped out. You might have to do a few test pans to locate it, but once you do, pretty much take the rocks down the creek and pan them. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got a nice, gentle running creek now, but obviously the river gets bigger and shallower and bigger, and that's what washes away and reveals more gold over the years.
Exactly, yeah. People can say the creek is pretty much done, but next season there'll be more flowing into it because it's always shedding. When the high water comes around here, it'll hit these rocks, the basalt boulders here on the side, and come around the corner. At the moment, it's coming round through this path, but in high water times, it'll come right up over this. So we're hoping to get some of the gold that's been washed into these areas, and we'll take it down to the creek and pan it.
So every year it's a new creek.
Exactly.